in this video, we're gonna learn about how to compute ceiling paint. So from the previous video, we already computed the tiles we needed. So for the ceiling, it's the same formula. So you just have to know the area of the ceiling. So that's 2.4 times 1.2 equals to 2.88 square meter. And then we also have here some information for the preparation. Since our area is 1.2 by 2.4 meter, which is also equivalent to 1 gypsum board, so we don't need to join any gypsum board, so we will not use gypsum mesh or gypsum putty. But for your information, gypsum mesh comes in a roll, which is 30 meter per roll and costs 40 pesos per roll, while gypsum putty comes in a 5 kilogram bucket, which costs around 350 pesos. So for the shadow gap aluminum profile, this is usually used nowadays, and it comes in 3 meter length, which costs 150 pesos per 3 meter. So we know that our perimeter is 7.2 meter, so we just have to divide it by 3 meter and we'll get 2.4 pieces or 3 pieces times 150 pesos equals 450 pesos. Now let's go to the main topic, the primer. So for the primer, we recommend using or applying 2 coats for the surfaces because it enhances the color more than 1 coat only. So for the primer, we just have to multiply the area with 2 coats. So we'll get 5.76 square meter. Then divide it by the coverage. So as per experience, the average coverage of 1 gallon paint is 23 square meter, which means we get 0.25 gallon. So we only need 0.25 gallon or 1/4 gallon to cover the area with 2 coats of primer. But we can still buy in liters, so let's convert this to liters. So we just have to multiply it by 4 liters because there's 4 liters in 1 gallon. So we'll get 1 liter. And 1 liter of primer paint in any brand cost around 250 pesos. For the final coat, it's still the same because it's still the same area and coats. So it is also 1 liter, but the price for the final coat paints is different, like for 100 pesos per liter. So the total amount for the paint alone is 250 plus 400. That means it costs just around 650 pesos for the material. That's all for today. I hope you learned a lesson.